Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce data usage when using the Global Entry app or accessing your account online, follow this quick guide to minimize mobile data consumption while managing your trusted traveler information. Step 1. When accessing your Global Entry account, use Wi-Fi connections whenever possible instead of mobile data to avoid consuming your cellular data allowance. Step 2. Open your smartphone's Settings app and navigate to Mobile Data or Cellular Settings. Step 3. Scroll through the list of apps and find any Global Entry-related apps or your browser app if you access Global Entry through a web browser. Step 4. Toggle off background data or background app refresh for these apps to prevent them from using data when not actively in use. Step 5. When visiting the Global Entry website at ttp.cbp.dhs.gov, use your browser's data saving mode or light mode if available. Step 6. In Chrome Mobile, enable Light Mode by going to Settings, then Light Mode to compress pages and reduce data usage. Step 7. Download any important Global Entry documents like your approval letter or known traveler number while connected to Wi-Fi for offline access. Step 8. Limit the use of image-heavy pages on the Global Entry website and stick to text-only sections when on mobile data. Step 9. Clear your browser cache regularly to remove stored data that may accumulate over time. Step 10. Monitor your data usage in your phone settings to track how much data you're using for Global Entry access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.